So we're taking it in turns to steer, and Monica's taken helm. I've gotten us past the first couple of buoys and beacons, and now we're on course for Chapman's Pool, all right, which is out there somewhere. We've got the sail in, as you can see, and that's because the wind is lousy. We had practically no wind this morning, and as you can see, we're making a good 4 knots through the water, whereas up here it says we're doing 7 knots, course over ground. Okay, this is proper sailing now. Engine is definitely off. You can see we were getting 1 knot, and now we're getting 1.5, 1.7, thanks to my baby driving. Okay, so we've got the sail out and up, and we're just learning how to get the right shape and everything, and see how our boat performs.
We're officially leaving the Totland.
We thought we were going to have to motor all the way here because the predictor wind said that the wind speed was going to be so low, but you can see here now we've got out, we're getting like 11, 12 knots of wind. Okay, so hardly there being none. We're getting a good lot of wind, and Monica's not doing too bad. Occasionally went up to 2.4, 2.3, you know, and we're only using 1 sail. To be honest, we're trying it out, yes, but you know, we're just using the 1 main sail, which is our new one. It cost us $3,000, so we better test the bloody thing out. Maybe tomorrow we'll get the head sail out. We could double our speed, I guess. Right at the end there, that's old Harry's Rock. You can see a lot better now. So that's Totland Bay where Swanage is, but we're not going there. Then if I pan around here, it's another sailboat. Now they've got the sails out, but you can tell they've definitely got the engine on, going far too fast for it easterly, and they're heading west, so they're going right into the wind. Alright. Right, so just with the sail alone, we're getting a good 1 knot through the water, but 3.7 knots over the ground. It's a good breeze. The breeze is 9.5 knots.
Okay, we'll do 1.9, 2, 1. Yeah.
Okay, here we are again. We're in Chapman's pool. We're just gonna go ashore basically in the dinghy, which we've tied on there. So we're going to take the cover off of the rarely used motor. We've got an electric one. This Spirit Evolution is a pretty good one. All right, so cover on there. All right, and then we're just going to undo it and put it on the dinghy. Okay, we've got the motor on, as you can see, it's quite secure. Now we're going to need to put the battery on. This is going to be a bit fiddly and tricky because we often don't do this. Okay, I forgot we've got all the ancillaries for the battery, but this is actually just the battery. There we go. So we just need to put that on. Okay. It literally is just a clip-in. Okay, so I'm glad it's a calm day, but you can see how easy it is to put the battery on. Just goes like that. Snaps in. There you go. That's on. And then all you have to do is connect this wire from the motor there. That's it, and then screw it down. Hey! There you go. Okay, so we've got two buttons here. We've got power, which I've already turned on. You don't really need to see that anyway. Then it beeps to let you know that it's on. And then there's the select button, so you can select different modes and stuff. There's a kill switch, so the motor won't actually come on until you put this on. So that just, it's magnetic, it just goes in there. It's just that if you fall out, rather than the motor just keep going, it'll cut off. So you can swim back to the boat hopefully and recover it. Oh no, it's going.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay, okay. Yeah, I can see it.
Alright, then if I go this way.
Okay, it's very quiet, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very, and that's the other good thing about these things, they're really ultra quiet. Not noisy, not smelly. We don't have to carry an extra bit of fuel like petrol when we're a diesel thing or a diesel engine. It's much better, it's so eco-friendly for the fish life, not just because of the noise, but doesn't leak fuel into the water. Very eco-friendly. And we can charge this up for free for free with our solar panel. We've got a flexible one, and we've got all the attachments just to plug it in. Okay. Great, you can see, oh, it's a swing. That's what it is. Wow. So this is all driftwood, and someone's made a swing in it, because I wouldn't trust it. You know, you could fall so easily. You know how much weight that stick or branch is gonna take.
Here's Wayne. Here's Wayne catching signal, sending messages,
I'm
posting things
at the moment.
on Instagram. There you go. Must as well take advantage of the signal because we have none on the boat. Berry bushes. There she is. Salad on the beach. Do widzenia, do zobaczenia wkrótce.
Goodbye and see you soon. Bye.